Hi friends, welcome to Crafting and Relaxing. This is Sarah. Today I wanted to share with you the card I made for Christy Marcotte's challenge for this week, which is about making your own background. She's been doing a challenge where she posts a video on YouTube and she'll put her card up on Instagram too, so that you have inspiration. And they aren't challenges where you'd have to go out and buy a thing. Last week was black and white and a pop of color. This week is make your own background. There's no reason that you couldn't participate if you would like to. I just want to show you what I used, and then feel free, if you don't know who Christy Marcotte is and you like making cards, especially printed paper cards, you've got to check her out. She's wonderful. She's like a rock star to me. I embarrassed her at a show because I wanted to get my picture taken with her, and she's super sweet and didn't realize how, she's like a rock star. So I think she's fabulous, and I'm really enjoying her challenges. For this card, what I did was I took Distress Oxide ink and laid it down on that paper heavy. Really heavy. Not too worried about blending, just because that's not how I am normally anyway. And I don't have the super fancy brushes, but I have these. If you don't have these, don't run out and buy them because I have them. There are better things. And I hate taking those little things on and off and getting it on my fingers. I hate it. So I use Dusty Concord, Abandoned Coral, and Twisted Citron because I have them. I had a different color combo in mind, and then I was thinking for Andrea, I would do purple and green, and Twisted Citron isn't very green. Then I added a bit of peeled paint and a touch of shaded lilac on these ends just for a little interest. Then I let it dry all the way. I just went on to a different project. Then I came back and I took my distress sprayer. It does not have to be this sprayer. It could be any sprayer. You could also probably just take your stencil, put it in a pan of water or the sink. It's nice though if you can get even water across it so it doesn't just drip off before you can lay it down. So you get your stencil all wet and then you lay it on your inked piece of paper, however you want it. I kind of think maybe I should have gone more over here and then put the thanks right off of it, but I can try that again. You put it on there, and then I take something flat and a little bit heavy, plastic like this, put it on there, and then I walk away again. So that's probably another 5 minutes. Then I come back, I take this off, and then it'll look really white right here. And then you let it dry and the color comes back a little bit more. If you don't get as much contrast as you want, you need more ink or more water in one of your phases. And I don't actually know if you have to let the ink dry first. I don't know if that's a thing. You probably don't. After the paper was all dry, I came back and I added a bit of black, and I don't know what ink I used. It doesn't matter at all. I think I used my VersaFine because that's what I had out. I put some black ink on with this Tim Holtz stencil and just used parts of it here and there. Then I die cut the black background. This is a recent Tuesday morning purchase. Well, recent is all relative now, right? This part I cut in black, and then the actual word thanks I cut out of this Queen & Company foam. It's wonderful. So it's glitter foam with the adhesive already on the back. You just cut it and stick it on, and it turns out amazing. And then for a little more interest and for more circles, I used these. I was going to use enamel dots, but these are from Pebbles, and they call them puffy. Oh, they're just little tiny round puffy stickers. So I put those on there too, and then layered the whole thing on black cardstock. I hope you like my card, and if you're not playing along and you're looking for something that isn't overwhelming, do it. And to those of you who have never posted a card on Instagram or you're terrified, just take the plunge. I know that there will be cards that are way better than mine, and that's okay. I had fun making it. So as long as you have fun making your card, you're doing great. While I had everything out, I decided to make another card. Plus, these card challenges are fun because you can take the inspiration and make something completely different. I used the same product, so it has similarity, but this time I used peacock feathers, Twisted Citron, and faded jeans, and the same glitter foam product from Queen & Company, and some foil stars, and a here's to many more. So I have a cute birthday card. The yellow's a little harsh up the center. I think I would have liked to do that differently, but I love the peacock feathers. I'm always happy when I use that, and of course blue. So that's the other card that I made. Be sure you're taking time for crafting and relaxing. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.